Hey guys, Chad here with Midlife Classic Cars. Today is daylight savings, the first day of daylight savings, so we're gonna have some light tonight. And things are already starting to get warmer, and I think it's that time of year that any of us car guys or just guys that have a garage, it's time to clean out the garage. So I want to get this ready for this year because I'm kind of making this a little bit my man cave or activity cave because I'm not storing any cars here anymore. I store all my cars at the warehouse. I have like a golf hitting pad and net in here. I keep my mountain bikes in here and stuff, but it's just a mess. Let's just go ahead and open up. It's a mess in there now. So the goal is to just get this cleaned out, organized. I'm also going to mount some market lights. And yeah, I want to have to where I can work on my mountain bikes. I want to have my grills in here for now, and I'm just going to grill out here. And it's just a mess. Like you can see, this whole area is a mess here. I've got kayaks or canoes, or wait, what are these? Kayaks, not canoes, laying everywhere. I need to get them organized. I just need to get this whole thing straightened up. So that's what we're going to do in this video. We're going to try a little something new. I feel like this is something a lot of people can relate to. And part of the reason I'm doing this is, you know, we watch all these YouTubers do these really cool garage builds and stuff like that, and like interior builds, and they look really good. I have some goals this year. I want to get a dirt bike. I want to get back into mountain bike, and I just went and demoed a mountain bike yesterday. I don't have the money to spend on doing a fancy garage. I'm just trying to clean it up and make it a little bit better and easier to live with in there. So I'm hoping some of you guys will more relate to this, because I think this is just average people. Like, we don't have fancy garages. I've got a small one. My house was built in the 40s, and this was built not long after that. So it's not a fancy garage. So hopefully this will give some inspiration for you guys to get out there and clean your garage. But yeah, here, I'll just give you a quick walkthrough of how messy it is in there. So as you can see, I've got my bike, one of my road bikes here. I've got a smoker. I got my Weber grill. I'm a Weber guy. I don't cook with gas. I want a big green egg, but man, I still love my Weber kettle. And I just did a whole freshen up. This thing is like 6 years old, and I spent like $130 just getting new metal for it and everything, and it's good to go this year. But yeah, back here you can see golf. I have yard supplies. We're probably going to be pulling down a lot of this stuff and redoing it. But yeah, this is what is golfing. There's just other sports equipment that I have and everything. And I just want to get this whole area just cleaned to where like the grills are in one place. I can come in here and swing golf clubs when I want to. I can come in here and tinker with my mountain bikes and bikes when I want to. And then yard stuff is going to be out of the way. Some of the stuff I am going to have to put up for sale. I just don't need and get rid of, but you can see it's a disaster in here. This is horrible. This comes from like working in the yard and just throwing things down and not really taking the time to put it away. But let's get started. We're going to get this emptied out and go from there. All right, so I just got the garage blown out. It's a huge difference. This garage is so old. There's some work I need to do here that I didn't realize. Like, there's some foundation work that needs to be done. Just cleaning up some gaps where like insects and stuff can get in. Here's a good example. I don't know if you can see that light coming through, but there's a whole inch gap going outdoors. So I need to work on that, but I'm gonna do that another time and everything, get working on getting the rest of this stuff set up. But yeah, like, this is what I want, get it clean and get it so I can get everything set back up in here. So let's keep going, and we'll get to the next stop. Actually, I'm gonna go grill some wings really quick. I'm gonna start some wings. That's how I tricked my family into helping. I told them if they helped me out, I'd grill them some wings. So I need to get the wings on the grill and then get back to work. So let me get back to it. Hanging the market lights were super simple with Leah and Gavin helped me. Leah was taking off the plastic covers of the bulbs as Gavin and I was touching up some of the electrical inside of the garage to make sure the cameras worked and the lights. All right, so we've been at it for a while now. My kid had to head back to college, so he helped me do a lot. I really appreciate that from him, but he had to drive all the way from where we live in Greensboro to Wilmington, which is a 3.5 hour drive. But this is where we are. This is probably the halfway point, getting things organized. I've got the net in. Got some new things to hang, make sure everything's hanging. That's my goal, is everything's off the ground and up in the air. We got the lights, the market lights hung just to give a little bit more lighting in here. So yeah, it's coming along. We've got a ways to go. We're still sorting it back in, and but this is probably what I consider the halfway point. So I'm gonna get back to it and let you guys see the finished product. All right, guys, I'm exhausted. I put a good chunk of the day into getting this garage straightened out. But like I said, I want to use this as kind of my man cave and workout area and hit some golf balls. So as you can see, got the golf mat out, got everything set back up. Everything's on the wall now, which is a big thing for me. I want pretty much everything off the wall. We got the market lights up. I wish they were a little bit brighter, but I'm gonna deal with that later. I think I might get another strand to go up here. And I just want a little bit more like subtle lighting in here. And I need to get a table for working on bicycles right here. I just need to get a little workbench in this area. But yeah, it's really clean. I now have all my grill. I like smoking and I like grilling on my charcoal grill here. And the issue is usually where I had it, I was always out in the rain. And so now this time I can push it out here and funnel the smoke out that way. So that's gonna be pretty nice. But yeah, I'm gonna say this is a project that's done and dusted. I did this to hopefully inspire you to get your garage ready for this summer and get it cleaned out and get moving. I think now's the time. I think we know it's starting to warm up. Here in North Carolina, at least it is. I was joking with my girlfriend, I don't think it's gonna snow here anymore this year. Who knows though, weather's kind of crazy here in North Carolina. But hopefully this gets you inspired to get your garage ready. And like I said, this is what allowed me to focus on my race car and get some other things done. But check out my next video. We just got in the wrap for my race car. So one of my next videos is gonna be me wrapping the Legends car. And we have more Legend car content coming out. Don't forget, always check out Midlife Classic Cars for your book needs. Shop manuals, restoration guides, history books on a lot of different cars, tractors, trains, airplanes, pretty much anything that burns gas. Check us out, and don't forget we always ship in boxes. And please like and subscribe. I'm trying to get this channel to hit 1,000 subscribers. That's my goal. And so if you could help me out, please like and subscribe. Anyway, we'll see you in the next video, and we'll get back to racing soon. Take care.